How to hide photos and videos on a Redmi 14C. First, go to the gallery. Here you have the choice to go to Photos or Albums. If you need to hide only one photo, just click on it. Then click again and click on these three dots on the bottom. Then choose Add to Album and Private Album. If you need to hide multiple pictures, click on each picture and select these blue circles. Then click on Add to Album and choose Private Album. Then press the OK button. And now you need to protect your album with a password. Just type it one more time and press Next. If you don't have the Xiaomi account, just click Not Now. And now we edit your pictures to private albums. To find the private album, just follow my instructions. Go to Albums and swipe down with your finger. Then we have to push OK button to enter our protection password. Here we just press Cancel, and now you can see pictures in your hidden private album. And now, if we come back to the gallery, you can see that no photos, no albums are visible except a few. You just swipe down and tap the password, and now you can see it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like it.